Hi, this is Samir Pradhan from Control Trends India. I'm actually at the ACREX 2016 show, and I am with a young gun, a very, very successful entrepreneur, Sandeep Shenoy from Anupur.
Hi.
Welcome, Sandeep.
Hi, Samir.
Sandeep has been my customer for about a little over a decade now, and I have seen a phenomenal growth in the way he's run his company, he's scaled up his companies. So, Sandeep, tell us something about your company. What do you do?
Yeah, at the outset, let me thank you for giving me this opportunity to be at your stall and talk a little bit about our business as well.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Yeah, Anukul is a 16-year company now, which is primarily into air conditioning of manufacturing spaces, large corporate fit-outs, and also of late we have started with pharmaceutical setups. So that's been our segment where we are focusing now. And we were in this industry for, as I said earlier, it's last 16 years.
Oh, wow.
And we have a clientele which is based out of Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore.
Okay.
So that's been the.
Super. Tell us something about your big customers, because I know you work with a lot of the American multinational companies.
Of late, we've been able to do work for Amazon, and now recently Facebook is one of our clients. Microsoft also has been a client. So it's almost like who's who of IT or software.
Absolutely.
And it is a really feel privileged to been able to work with these clients.
Yes, sure. I'm sure. Sandeep, you are an MEP contractor, and you take up all the services under your contract. When it comes to controls, what are the typical challenges that you have felt, and how do you see the way forward to circumvent these kind of problems?
See, if you really see, in perspective, in HVAC, within MEP, HVAC is what we do predominantly.
Yes.
And the electronics in HVAC is a fairly recent phenomena.
Yes.
In terms of its scale, complexity, and even the scope. So typically, when the tender comes out,
Yes.
the specs are not clear.
Yes.
The client, the consultant, and even the contractor do not have a very hazy picture of what they really want.
Yes.
And coupled to this, the fact that you have different brands operating under different protocols.
Yeah.
So, speccing itself is a challenge for the consultant, and so is the case with the contractor. So the complexity of different brands, different protocols,
Okay.
and knowledge about what exactly is required to be put in the scope of contractor's work is a big challenge.
Yes.
So, knowing your exact requirement is still the
It is a
challenge. Yeah, that's
Coming to specifics in terms of, do you think India lacks the kind of skills that are required to run these kind of control systems? Because of course we have been working together for a long time. But let's say if it's not for CICC, I hope you had a pleasant experience with us.
Yes, of course. There's no harm in admitting that CICC. Almost 10 years since we are associated.
Yes.
I still remember the first job we did was Microsoft in
Yes.
Bombay in 2014. In fact, that year. Where similarly, being a US client, they had a very
Yes.
they were pretty clear about what they want,
Yes.
but we were not sure as to how to really deliver.
Yes.
And that's when we shook hands and we
Yes.
delivered what the client wanted.
Absolutely.
So it's one of the finest memories which I have of controls. You see, the entire industry is shifting from electromechanical to electronics. So it's no more mechanical, it's no more electrical.
Yes.
It's all digital. It's
Yes.
all yes or no. So it's very interesting. We're at an interesting time when we require to push this knowledge, which is right now in silos. It's not in everyone's domain.
Yes.
Now is the right time for the industry, and
Yes.
especially I'm glad that CICC is doing the right things
Yes.
and at the right time
Yes.
to really educate the client and training the entire ecosystem, if I would really may
Yes.
say
Yes.
so.
Yes.
The entire ecosystem, and not just looking at it from a commercial point of view, but to really engage with each stakeholder to understand and take this industry forward. Because personally, I think the controls is going to be the
Key.
cornerstone,
Yes,
the key and the cornerstone
Yes.
of this entire evolution of this industry, if I would really say so. Everything is getting digitalized, the data is getting digitalized, the controls are getting digitalized.
Yeah.
So there is no reason for the controls to be at the backstage.
Yeah.
This is the time for people like you
Yeah.
to really take this legacy forward. I mean, in fact, there's no legacy, to be honest. You have to create this legacy,
legacy.
and people like you have to create this legacy.
yes.
I would strongly believe so, and I think Samir and CSC are doing the right. You're putting the right buttons as of now to really take it forward.
Sure. So Control Trends will be the platform, Sandeep, to promote, recognize, felicitate people, products, technologies in the building automation space.
sure.
And it's going to be it's a brand neutral platform. I want all of you to be, let's form a collaboratory so that I take the right inputs from you. These closed-ended systems, lack of skill sets, is all these kind of bandwidth of problems that we are in know of, and through Control Trends we will certainly address each one of them step by step.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
sure. Wish you all the best, Samir. I'm sure, knowing you for last so many years now, you will do an excellent job.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. It was a pleasure having you on the show. Yeah,
Thanks.
and wish you the very best, and thanks a lot for being on
Thanks
the show.
to you, and same all the best to your team as well.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.